Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USDT on Bitget. First, you'll need to create an account on the Bitget platform, which is a straightforward process using your email or phone number. After setting up your account, it's crucial to complete identity verification, also known as KYC, to unlock all trading features and ensure security. Finally, we'll explore the various convenient methods available for purchasing USDT directly on the platform. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund it. You can easily deposit fiat currency using bank transfers, which is a common and reliable method. Another quick option is to use your credit or debit card for instant deposits, supporting major cards like Visa and MasterCard. Alternatively, if you already hold other digital assets, you can transfer existing cryptocurrency directly into your Bitget wallet. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy USDT. One popular method is P2P trading, allowing you to buy USDT from other users with various local payment options. You can also purchase USDT directly using fiat currency through options like credit/debit cards or bank deposits. For those with other digital assets, Bitget offers a convenient convert feature to swap other cryptocurrencies to USDT with zero fees. To keep your assets safe, always enable two-factor authentication on your Bitget account. This adds an essential layer of security against unauthorized access. It's also wise to understand market volatility before making any trades. Prices can change quickly. For more insights on managing your finances, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book and other great deals. Remember to trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. Staying informed is key to successful cryptocurrency trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.